Sovereignty belongs to Allah only. This is actually to establish this system over all these systems, over the whole system of life, over the total system of life. That is actually meant by لِيُظْهِرَهُ عَلَى الدِّينِ كُلِّهِ. But if you translate this word deen with religion, to make the deen, the religion of Allah, the true religion supreme, it doesn't convey the sense. The concept of Islam as mazhab is prevalent among the Muslim Ummah. I think 99% people think that Islam is a mazhab. Because when you know, after the Khilafatul Rashidah coming to an end, there was monarchy, kingship, separation of state and religion started. There are people who are the Salatin, the kings, and there are the religious leaders, the Fuqaha, the Aimma, the learned scholars, the Sufia, the purifiers of the souls. So this dichotomy started, and later on, when Christianity dominated this globe, this sense of religion became more narrower. Why? Because in Christianity there is no law even, but to speak of a system. Although Jesus said, alayhi salatu wassalam, law of Moses will remain applicable to you. Don't think I have come to destroy law. Law of Moses will stand. But Saint Paul abrogated law. No Sharia, no law. So the Christianity of today is only a dogma and some ethics. Love thy neighbor as thyself. Ethical teaching, good. These teachings are common to the whole of humanity. But no law. What to speak of a system? As now this word religion, its connotation has become very narrow. And when we translate deen with religion, every Muslim thinks Islam means dogma and some modes of worship, and that's all. Give to Caesar what is due to him and give to Allah what is due to him. This is not Islam. Islam is deen. Inna deena inda Allahi al-Islam. وَمَنْ يَبْتَغِ غَيْرَ الْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْهُ. It is deen.